Hey guys, today I will show you how to download music from Spotify in 2025. Whether you're using the free version or Spotify Premium, I will guide you through all the available options to enjoy your favorite tracks offline. Let's dive in. So, first up is the official way to download music on Spotify, which requires a premium subscription. Simply open Spotify and you will see the Spotify's dashboard. Now, you'll have to simply make sure that you're logged in with your premium account. So after navigating to Spotify, what you'll have to do is click on the create option at the bottom right side of the screen, that is this plus icon. Now click on the playlist icon and name this playlist download. Now click on create. After this, you will see this playlist. Here, click on add to this playlist. Now simply search for the song that you want to download. For example, I will download this song. Now click on the plus icon after that song. Now that specific song will be added to that playlist. Simply click on the download icon just right here at the top and that specific music will be downloaded and a green arrow icon will be shown just below it. You can simply navigate to that playlist again by navigating to your library. Now we named this playlist download. We'll click here and we can add another song to download. Click on add to this playlist. Choose another songs, then simply go back and all these songs will be downloaded from this playlist. You can simply go offline and as you can see, these songs has been downloaded into my playlist. I will go here and in the download, I will see all these 3 songs. And there you have it. Whether you're a premium user or just looking for alternatives, now you know how to enjoy Spotify music offline. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials and share your tips in the comments below. See you next time.